Château Lafite Rothschild is a classified first growth of the famous 1855 classification of the wines of Bordeaux, more precisely of the wines of Médoc. Château Lafite Rothschild. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, Chateau, you know about Chateau, don't you? And then Lafite. So I in French sounds like E, so it's Lafite, certainly not Lafite. And then Rothschild. You can pronounce Rothschild with the English pronunciation, like Rothschild. With the typical French pronunciation would be Château Lafite Rothschild. Château Lafite Rothschild. Château Lafite Rothschild. I hope this wine pronunciation video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, in the wonderful world of French wine pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye bye. Cheers.